Igwe Michael Okeke Uche of Enugwu Agidi community in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State has celebrated its 2024 Iwaji Festival. Correspondent Joseph Ebocha reports that the event held at the palace of the Obalariam III of Enugwu Agidi attracted presence of other traditional rulers in the state, captains of industries, representatives of different religious organizations, among other people and groups that paid homage to the Igwe Okeke Uche. Correspondent Joseph Ebocha now takes it from here.
In his remarks after ceremonial cutting of yam to mark the annual festival, Igwe Okeke Uche, who re-echoed the importance of Iwaji in the community and Igbo land in general, thanked God for the return of peace in the community and Governor Chukwuma Soludo for his strides in governance of the state, promising continued support of his people.
Aija ekene Chukwu maka ji ofu na-egosi dat na anyị abịago n'udo n'obodo a.
Traditional Prime Minister of the community, Dr. Osita Anameze, and illustrious son of the community, Chief Onyeka Okeke Mbajiaka, Permanent Secretary, Anambra State Ministry of Health, Dr. Mrs. Obegeli Uchebo, and Anambra State Director of the National Identity Management Commission, NIMC, Mr. Loveday Obonna, said the festival is very important in uniting a people for community development and prayed for more blessing on Igwe Okeke Uche and his subjects. Anambra State Commissioner for Women Affairs and Social Welfare, Mrs. Ifio Binabo, who also graced the occasion, said without traditional rulers, achieving the mandates of her ministry as regards ending harmful traditional practices will be difficult, urging other traditional rulers to support in sensitizing community members against sexual and gender-based violence.
One of those good things, reckon on them to help us in going further to sensitize our men.
From Enugwu Agidi in Njikoka local government area, Joseph Ebocha reporting for ABS News.